Greeting to all the voters of Vokha district. I am Ajit Kumar Ranjan, Deputy Commissioner and District Election Officer Vokha. As we all know that the poll day is approaching for the general elections to the Nagaland Legislative Assembly 2023. It is going to be held on 27th of February from 7 am to 4 pm. The general level of participation of the voters has been very high in Nagaland in general and also in Vokha district. However, we do need to improve the quality of participation, and therefore it is important that our voters are empowered and are ethical in exercise of their choice, as this is one of the most important choice we make as citizens. The Election Commission has provided the voters with various tools to empower them. One of them is the CVisual App, through which the voters can make complaints, report the violation of various MCC guidelines, based on which timely action is taken by the authorities and the complaints are resolved. In addition, there is Voter Helpline app through which voters can avail various services, including voter registration and knowing their polling booths where they have to exercise their vote. Further, a toll-free helpline number 1950 has been provided to the voters so that they can avail various services, lodge their grievances. Based on these grievances or complaints or requests, timely action is taken by the election office to resolve their issues. In addition, for the PWD voters, there are various facilities being provided, including pick and drop services to the polling station, and we all want to encourage the PWD voters to come to the polling stations and vote. However, those PWD voters who find it to be difficult to come to the polling station, further facility of Postal Ballot is provided through Form 12D. Therefore, I appeal all the citizens of Vokha district to participate enthusiastically in this festival of democracy and exercise your right to vote in an ethical manner. Thank you.